This is episode 1632. Welcome to the Daily Meditation Podcast. I'm Mary Meckley, and I honor you for being here. Today is considered to be Black Friday, where I live in the U.S., and you may be out getting all kinds of shopping deals. Hopefully you didn't wake up early and wait in a long line for a great bargain, but if you did, all is well, and here you are now. In today's episode, you are going to be guided as I help you combine and layer the different meditation techniques we've explored throughout this week's series on a recipe for gratitude. Each time I sit down to meditate, I layer the techniques. I do an affirmation. I do a breathing technique. I hold my hand in a mudra. I'll focus on a chakra, and I do yoga before I sit down to meditate. And this may seem like a lot, but it's really not. It's a nice rhythm, a nice flow into a peaceful state as I meditate. And that's the beauty of meditation techniques. They allow you to transition from whatever you were doing before you sat down to meditate, and they ease you into a state of stillness. Sometimes that can take quite a while to get to that state. Other times you can arrive there pretty quickly. It just depends on what's going on in your day, what's going on in your life. Each time you sit down to meditate is a brand new experience, just like each day is a different experience in your life. And as you explore this week's theme, which is a recipe for gratitude, I have your ingredient for today, and that is Swadhyaya. Swadhyaya is constant self-improvement, the study of the self, fine-tuning yourself each day to learn something uplifting every day and to be in touch with the truth every day. This is a daily ritual to assess your day, to look at what you do, why you do it, and how you do it. This study of the self is so important. And in his book, The Art of Happiness, the Dalai Lama talks about how he does a self-assessment at the end of the day, where he looks back over his day and considers what really stood out as uplifting him and what seemed to wipe out his energy or bring him down, to deflate how he felt. And if you do this at the end of your day, you will begin to notice that you naturally build Swadhyaya, self-assessment, into your life. And the awareness you gain by reviewing your day is incredibly powerful. This awareness is your truth, and you will begin to feel grateful for your life exactly as it is. You'll see your challenges and trials as lessons where you learn. And that is a powerful way to live. So go ahead now as you get ready to meditate, and I'll guide you through some of the techniques you've explored in this week's series so you can layer these techniques. Now we have our full half-hour guided meditations over at our Sip and Om meditation app. We have Android and iOS versions available for you. 2 weeks, free access to the entire app. You get a journal each week that's customized for that week's theme. You also get a slow down guide where you receive the week's techniques organized for you so that you can print out this journal and this guide and use them as powerful tools as you focus on a different theme each week. So now that you're getting yourself settled down, close your eyes, keeping them slightly elevated upward to keep your thoughts uplifted. Relax those areas within yourself that you feel tension, and bring to mind what may have caused that tension, what triggered it. Now mentally repeat to yourself, I am enough. I am enough. I love my life exactly as it is. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose. Bring your awareness at the crown of your head, your 7th chakra. The color is a violet color you could imagine emanating from the crown of your head. And this connects you to your divine self, your highest self, that part of yourself you cultivate each time you do your day in review. You may hold your hands in the mudra, the Prithvi mudra. Your hands are resting on your lap with your palms upward. Touch your thumb tip to the tip of your ring finger. Your other fingers are extended outward. Beautiful. Now go ahead and inhale to the count of 5. Hold your breath to the count of 5 and exhale to the count of 5. And do this 5 times. You are so worth slowing down for.